Welcome to Appliance Masters Facebook Live today. I'm Bill, and today is early spring, and we're going to work with the very first time we're looking at our grill this year. This has been sitting out in the snow and the rain. Probably haven't used this since like October or so, and today start with a very general inspection. Make sure things are where they need to be. Like want to make sure. Also later on, I'm going to do a cursory cleaning first, but later on we're going to do a more thorough cleaning. We're going to just make sure all the burners are here, the burner covers are here. There's no livestock or any kind of invaders in there. It's generally okay. And like I said, the cursory cleaning is going to consist of such things like this. Is going to be getting rid of this stuff. I'll clean up later. Like this burner is, we'll do that a little bit better, of course. And we inevitably get all kinds of stuff in here. And again, I just want to make sure nothing's going to catch fire. Let me start this up. It's actually not that bad. It's not much worse. I don't think anybody's been living in here this winter. This is just and like I said, this is it's actually not terrible. Well, we're going to clean that much more thoroughly later. But first, what I like to do is, and when we do our more thorough cleaning later, we use like stainless steel cleaner, Windex, paper towels. But for now I'm going to get those out of the way because I don't want it to get hot. So I'm going to turn the gas on, turn the propane on. I mean, if you have yours connected to your house, you may not have to do this. And this pretty much pertains to all ranges that you leave outside, all grills, high-end ones. We work on a wide variety of links. What other brands come to mind? Capital, Bertazzoni. I mean, there's a whole host of brands, but this is a Weber. So we want to make sure the ignition still works. You can hear that. You hear the ignition? And that burner lit. That ignition, that one works. Good news so far. That one works. So, very first thing I'm going to do is let this run at high heat for at least 15 minutes. That high heat is going to burn off a lot of the unwanted stuff inside. You might even have mold, mildew, a lot of that grease from last year. But we did, I think I cleaned it before we put it away last season. Again, I'm going to let this heat, and when it's done, you can also use tools like you may need to get a shop vac or any other kind of vacuum. There's different, with the stainless steel clean, you don't really maybe use a scrubby pad. You don't need anything to abrasive. But for now, check my watch. Like I said, that's not working. So it's not 600 degrees already. So maybe that's something I want to look at. Maybe call Appliance Master to have that replaced. Anyway, once it gets hot, of course, we're going to shut it off, shut the gas off, let it cool. Before it cools down all the way, then I'll come back and clean it more thoroughly. And then we'll be ready to go for the outdoor grilling season this year. Anyway, it's appliancemaster.com, and you can always schedule online or send us questions or anything. Ask. You can even call 800-752-7123. You can schedule there or ask us any questions about this or other products. And hopefully we'll see you next week. And thank you for tuning in.